But
It's like watching a chimpanzee. So it's like watching a chimpanzee trying to get on. What?
What do you say?
So it's like watching a chimpanzee trying to get on a float. Bye, Ma.
Something that people don't know is that there are these tiki heads, and basically what you can do with your Tapu Tapus also acts like some kind of magic thingy where you can actually activate things. Look, the tiki head's not doing anything at the moment. I will use my Tapu Tapu, and it should. Here. Hit.
So there's no one there to hit.
So it's 5 times. There you go.
A little volcano big keyring.
Okay.
Turtle.
These are some of the pretty cool souvenirs you get from the shop. And like I said before, if you're an annual pass holder, you need to show the card.
Of course. A few little deals, cups.
Just kind of general, civilian.
Like a little cap, but it's sort of wickery. I like that.
Again, going the whole sort of Hawaiian kind of volcano-y theme.
I like that. It's like a sweater. It's just like volcano burner.
Pretty sweet Volcano Bay hoodie here. And there's like bottle openers and shirts. So you can have flip-flops and beers at the same time. You never have to decide.
Pretty cool. Right, come on.
What the hell are they doing to Scooby-Doo? Scooby-Doo! These, I didn't even realise these tiki heads spoke to you, but...
I guess if you walk past, huh?
Let's try walking past it.
I really think I need a nap.
What a weird thing. Okay, so let's talk about the slides that we went on earlier.
It's not by Express Pass.
Huh?
You can Go by express pass.
Out here?
Yeah.
Yeah. What, so you get more Tapu Tapu?
You can skip the virtual wave, yeah.
So weird.
So not needed today, but...
No, not needed today. So anyway, so like we went on this the O. There's like two slides, like oh no and the oh yes. The oh no is like basically what it is. I'll show you when we get around to it. It's like this thing that corkscrews around, like pretty much trying to gauge your loads of speed. Throws you off it, a 6-foot drop into a 10-meter filled pool, and yeah, they probably get dizzy and a bit droppy vertigo. It's pretty cool. We went on another one as well. I can't actually forget what it was called. Some like raft ridey thing. Do you know what it's called?
No.
Two something.
Yeah, follow that.
You were heading in the general direction.
Over here.
But that was pretty cool as well. If you're into raft rides. What?
On the way?
Yeah, that's good. As I started this vlog with the beginning, the wave going off, we end it. It's so annoying. Don't have a mirror thingy to look at where I'm looking. But anyway, yes. So we put the camera away now. But that's pretty much the end of our Volcano Bay day. Today we'll be doing another one. We'll do the rest of the rides and tell you what we think. But Krakatoa Red is definitely an awesome one. You need to go to. Tapu Tapu works pretty well, but still I'd rather go when it's a lot less busy, not actually need to use it. But still, it's a nice thing, and it's definitely something that's needed a very long time. But I'm going to go now. Bye. Remember to subscribe.